Hello, it's Jimmy here at O'Reilly's. I've been sent a dash cam here from Pelsee. Let's open it up and we'll have a look. I'm going to get it fitted to my vehicle here and we'll take you through the process. So this is a smart Wi-Fi dash camera, a little bit better than your usual, and it is the P1 Duo. Let's get it open up. So I'll show you the back of it here. You can pause the video if you want to have a little read through that. Okay, let's get the box opened up, give it a bit of a wiggle. There we go. Okay, so we have a user manual. Looks like we have the dash cam on this side. Might struggle to get that open with my nails. Let's use a little key on these just to get them up. There we go. Okay, we've got that open. Here it is. So there's the unit. First impression is it's a lot smaller than I was expecting. That's what she said. Let's get the cover off. Okay, so we've got the lens cover off and the rear cover off the back here. Okay, so it also comes with a rear mounted or a rear view camera. So now I'm thinking, will I fit this to my van, or should I make better use of it and find a car that I can fit it to? Okay, so as well as the rear mounted rear view camera, we've also got the power supply here, a couple of little tools to help you get it fitted. Okay, so now that it's powered on, I need to find the Wi-Fi on my phone. P1 Duo, Duo, whatever way you want to say it. 1, 2, 3, we'll enter the password and we'll wait for that to connect. Now what that does is you can connect straight to the dash cam and you can view it on your phone. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm fitting these wires all the way down the side pillar here of the window, and we're going to get it wired into the van in through here. So I've got a lot of other wire in here. I know it's a mess, but one day I will put it in some conduit. So what I've done is now the other rear camera actually fits all the way along. Now I've fed that camera and I've wired it through the rear brake light, same sort of area that I've got my rear reversing camera there. So there it sits, just up the top. Okay, so front camera is mounted and the rear camera is mounted, and you can switch between both cameras here on the app. So I've got the rear camera, front camera, you can switch it to a side view. And we can also go back to the front again. And it looks like I've got someone coming up behind me. A DAF. Got audio recording. Front and rear. We've got the audio there. You can, what's this do? Let's see, please insert memory card. That's to playback and play back your pictures. Of course I haven't got a memory card in there just yet. Settings, let's see what we got here. Speaker volume, audio resolution 2K is set to at the minute. Format your SD card. Sound recording is on. And then if you come back out here, you've got your album. Of course I've got no save data in there at the minute. So of course we've got the front view camera here. Looks like we've also got the camera lens on the inside here, just there. But I'm not sure how to access that. So we've got two cameras on here and then the camera on the rear door. So all in, I'd say pretty decent camera. That I'd probably say is the best one I've ever seen. Pelsee smart Wi-Fi dash camera. I'll put the link in the video for where you can buy it, and see you on our next video.